Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I am at the Gulf Point of Naples, a little timeshare located on Vanderbilt Beach up in North Naples, Florida. And I promised some of our friends that call this their home away from home in the wintertime a little update. Let them see the progress that's being made or not being made. Right now, it looks the same as it did several months ago. Last time I recorded a little video here. Looks like it's still standing idle. I'll take you around to the south side of the building. They've got it fenced off here. But this is Thursday morning, February 16th. I do see lights on occasionally inside so that there's power to the building. You can see the construction fence here, so I gotta stay on the other side here, where it's easier to walk also. Give you a little closer look. Trying to zoom in here. As far as I can tell, nothing's happening here yet. Unless they're waiting for permits or something, because I know permits are pretty hard to get right now. But you can see the pool is still full of sand. A lot of sand. Right up to the top there. And the wall's gone from the community room there. Just the aluminum studs left. Piece of fencing down there in the pool, along with the sand. I hope this place comes back. I hope it makes a comeback. I would just love nothing more than to share that with you. The rebirth of Gulf Point. And their neighbors next door wiped out too. Their hot tub just sitting there. No deck around it. Sad. No landscaping at the place next door either. Just sand everywhere. Lots and lots of sand. The seawall's exposed here. Never saw these seawalls before. Oh, just north of La Playa, they're demolishing one of the beachfront homes, the second home north of the La Playa. They're taking down this morning. That was sad to see. There's a wide angle view of the property in the back. Well, I hope this answered some of your questions. Hit that share button. Let your friends know what's going on here at Gulf Point. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, tips always appreciated. Facebook stars if you appreciate my efforts and what I do. You can find a link to my PayPal account in the description of this post if you want to send a little thank you. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.